Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not charging above 80% and why does your iPhone not charge above 80%. To extend your battery life, iPhone or better yet Apple has come up with a software that will limit the charging of your iPhone to 80% once the battery gets too hot. So whenever your battery temperature or your iPhone temperature drops, your iPhone will start to charge above 80%. So if you are charging your iPhone and you realize that it is stuck at 80%, what I would recommend you do is remove it from the charger, and you want to put your phone in a cooler place until it cools down, and then you can charge it again if you like. And also, you'll need to go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select battery. Then you're going to tap on battery health. And right where you see optimize battery charging, you want to ensure that it is toggled on, as you can see on my device, as this helps to reduce battery aging, and the iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. And that's it. Hope these steps were able to help you. If they did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.